Good morning from the National Weather Service here in Pocatello. My name is Carter, and this is your Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Wednesday, September 13th. A cold front will be working through the area today, supporting some isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms, particularly in the afternoon. But beyond that, we're looking at a warm and dry weekend ahead, and I'll be breaking that down for you this morning. Key points for focus on today. A cold front will be working through the area today, currently located in the central part of the state. It'll continue to work east throughout the morning hours, bringing some isolated shower activity this morning. But beyond that, we're still looking at some increasing chances for thunderstorms for this afternoon. Stronger thunderstorms will be capable of some wind gusts greater than 35 miles an hour, highlighting the gusty outflow threat. But beyond that, some cooler temperatures about today and tomorrow, and afternoon highs back in the 60s and 70s. We'll have a warmer and dry weekend ahead, so outside of some isolated chances for showers and thunderstorms tomorrow east of I-15, should be very dry from across the area, especially heading into Friday and the weekend, with highs back in the 70s and 80s, with, of course, plenty of sunshine. Quick look at satellite for you this morning. Again, mostly cloudy skies as you head further east, but further west, you can start to see that frontal boundary there. Nice clear skies filling in behind it. So that's kind of where it's located right now as of about 4:30 a.m. But as that continues to work east throughout the morning hours, nice clear skies should fill in behind. But beyond that, we're still seeing some isolated showers this morning. Those will transition to thunderstorms by about midday through the afternoon hours. Quickly, a water vapor satellite for you. So this upper level trough will work through the northern Rockies, at least for today, and heading further east for tomorrow. But you can see this very broad region of high pressure that's currently off the coast, and this will be continuing to work east over the coming days, leading to an extended period of warmer and dry weather. And you can see how long it is out there, about 1,000 miles out off the coast, leading to an extended period of warmer and dry weather as that works inland. Weather risk outlook for your next 5 days. Main concerns today will center around some showers and thunderstorms. Again, seeing some showers out there this morning. Best chances for thunderstorms will be later today through the afternoon hours, with a minor chance for some isolated, stronger thunderstorms potentially in the eastern highlands and upper Snake Plain, with a slight chance continuing across the southeast and eastern highlands for your Thursday in the afternoon, but dry conditions prevailing heading into the weekend. High temperatures today should be an overall great day. Afternoon highs, again, in the 60s and 70s, slightly cooler than what we saw yesterday. Severe weather outlook today again highlights our entire area just outside of western and northern Idaho, with just a general chance for some thunderstorms across the area, isolated in nature. Probability of thunder today, again, sporting about that 30 to 60% chance across the eastern portions of the state, with a bullseye up there towards Yellowstone. It's about a 70 to 80% chance up in that direction. But we are expecting some of those stronger storms, particularly across the upper Snake Plain, eastern highlands, out towards Island Park and the Teton Valley later today. So mostly dry conditions this morning outside of some isolated showers, but keeping an eye on those thunderstorms for you this afternoon. And this is taking a look at the HRF model, probability of winds greater than 35 miles an hour. So looking at the ensemble models, a collection of those are picking about a 30 to 40% chance of winds, sustained at about 35 miles an hour. So that could mean wind gusts pushing about maybe 40 to 50 miles an hour with some of those stronger, more organized storms that could develop this afternoon. So again, a focus on that on the upper Snake Plain and eastern highlands. Take a look at the timing for you. So this is one model's interpretation, the HER model. So outside of some isolated showers this morning, at least through daybreak, once we hit sunrise, a little bit of increase in activity, especially east of the interstate corridor, I-15 and US 20. So this morning, still seeing some showers, maybe an embedded rumble of thunder or two in there this morning. But beyond that, much of the activity will be confined this afternoon. So as that cold front exits east into Wyoming, seeing some activity, especially out towards Yellowstone and towards Jackson. But beyond that, mostly dry conditions around midday. We'll start to see thunderstorms fire off between about 1 and 3 o'clock. And as they do, again, generally working about west to east throughout the day, and keeping an eye on the upper valleys, eastern highlands, as well as some activity along the Idaho-Utah border. But beyond that, still keeping an eye on that at least through the overnight hours as well, at least through the evening hours, keeping with some isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms, particularly north and east. But beyond that, mostly dry conditions return overnight, with just some isolated chances for Thursday afternoon. Wind gusts today, just about what we saw yesterday, I guess pushing about 20 to 30 miles an hour, particularly across the Snake Plain and Magic Valley. High temperatures for your Thursday, slightly cooler than what we're going to see today, but overall great coverage of those 60s and mid-70s. The severe outlook for your Thursday, again, best chances for showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon hours will be east of I-15, so along the Idaho-Wyoming border, a little bit better chances down towards Bear Lake. And this is represented well in the HRF probability of thunder for Thursday. Again, about a 10 to 20% chance along the Idaho-Wyoming border, just about parallel with it, and a little bit of enhanced risk as you head further south and east towards Colorado and Utah. High temperatures for your Friday, slightly warmer than what we're going to see on Thursday, with afternoon highs losing the 60s, but back in the 70s and 80s for Friday afternoon. And the Storm Prediction Center does have our area highlighted in just an isolated chance. Again, this is maybe about a 5 to 10% chance for Friday south of the Snake Plain, but overall it'll be fairly predominantly dry, just maybe some buildups leading to some isolated showers and thunderstorms potentially for Friday, but we're going with the dry forecast at this time. And take a look at those weekend high temperatures. Plenty of high pressure working into the area from the Pacific will lead to a beautiful weekend. We'll see plenty of sunshine, lots of dry conditions out there. Afternoon highs, 70s and 80s both days. That's about all I have for you this morning. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to send us an email, give us a call, or check out some information on our website. Have a great day.